Put your quarters away in Great Falls, Montana. Free holiday downtown parking is coming back. But if you're planning a run near Black Eagle Dam today, you're going to hit a few roadblocks. The county commission literally raising the roof on two major government buildings. And tonight, downtown gets loud. We have Mark Mackay live at the Newberry and an open jam right here in town at the Frontier Inn. My name is Steve Keller. It's Wednesday, December 10th, and this is the Great Falls Daily Connection. Got my green holiday suit on. What do you think of that? Well, welcome to the show. This is for you if you live in Great Falls or if you love Great Falls. Either way, from Keller Talent Productions, where we do custom weddings and events. Plus, Harmony in the Falls Yoga Studio. If you can breathe, you can do yoga. And Amusetainment LLC. That's Leilani and Slim, and they're looking for talent to join them on the road at Amusetainment and iRockMontana.com. So what we're going to do today is this is your show where you get to know all the news and the events that are going on in one Great Falls commute long show. 15 to 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes. So let's get to it. What's going on with this weird weather? Let's check it out. Winter storm warnings in West Yellowstone. High wind warnings in Stanford, Harlowtown, Cutbank, and Shoto. And we also have that winter weather advisory for some freezing rain, but warm temperatures will remain the norm for the Great Falls area for the next few days. For the foothills and plains adjacent to the Rocky Mountain front, eastern Pend Oreille and eastern Teton counties and Cascade County below 5,000 feet, a winter storm watch remains in effect from Thursday afternoon through late Friday night. But the winter weather advisory has been canceled. For Great Falls, temperatures will remain steady and warm. Our high today, 54, low tonight, 50, high tomorrow, 50 early on, with rain and winds and snow, 60% chance. For tomorrow, Friday, 90% chance of snow down to 21, and Friday night's low 3 above. Saturday, 20 degrees. For Sunday and Monday, partly sunny, highs of 45 degrees. Special events and jobs with Maggie Morgan from Express on the way here, and the Great Falls Daily Connection news for your December 10th includes free parking starting Friday. The Great Falls city leaders are encouraging everyone to shop local and support downtown businesses during the final holiday push. And so if you want to shop local, it's absolutely free parking through December 28th. That does not include the parking garage. Now, if you run or ride on the River's Edge Trail, you're going to need a detour today. Portions of the trail on both the north and south shores near Black Eagle Dam are closed because crews are bringing in some equipment. They're reinforcing the dam to keep everyone safe, but that's for today only. Now, there's some good people in this town, like Jen over at the electricgf.com news website. She was at the City Commission meeting last night. She's reporting there on her website at theelectricgf.com. It was all about overhead improvements at the commissioners' meeting. They approved $68,000 in a contract to design a brand new roof for the Courthouse Annex downtown. That's that weird teal-looking building. They also signed off on an extra $31,000 to help wrap up the massive roof restoration project that's currently happening over at Expo Park. That's your news for December 10th on the Great Falls Daily Connection. Today's video is sponsored in part by Harmony in the Falls Yoga Studio. See the class schedule right there. You can take a screenshot of it. And from stress relief to strength, from curiosity to confidence, what we're looking for is being healthier on our own. The freedom of movement, the healing power of breath, the strength of belonging. You can find the schedule and sign up for classes at harmonyinthefallsyoga.com. Harmony in the Falls Yoga Studio is in the 2J's complex here in Great Falls. Looking for somebody in that special job. Tell us all about it.
Yes, we are still looking for an equipment mechanic, and we are calling it that, Steve, because we need somebody who can work on diesel, gasoline, troubleshoot electrical equipment, right? All of these things. So it's obviously somebody who is skilled in all of these areas. And this is an evaluation hire. So this is a permanent position. This is a great opportunity. Now, this is depending on experience, it's a very wide range, but $25 to $35 an hour. I mean, that's obviously a very wide range, but it is still, it's a
We're here with Maggie Morgan at Express
really
Employment Professionals. Maggie, you're still...
If you are interested, if you have the certifications, the skills, give me a call, 406-761-3027, or stop by 220 6th Street South, or go online, www.expresspros.com. Fill out the online application, send it to the Great Falls location, give us a call. We can get you in for an interview, and let's see what we can get going for.
All right, sounds great. And for anybody who knows anybody who's that kind of mechanic who can do that job, let them know that they can go to Express Employment Professionals, 226th Street South. And Maggie, is it always free?
It's always free.
To get a job at Express. Thank you. All the Great Falls events to help you live Great Falls' best life coming up. This show is sponsored in part by iRockMontana.com and Amusetainment with Leilani and George and the Leilani G Band performing live at the Elks Lodge this Saturday, December 13th for the Who's That Saved Christmas auction. We're asking you to bring a toy to enter into the door prize drawing. The cost is $250 for a table that seats 5, $35 for 1, $60 for 2. Cash at the door includes entry, music, and dinner. All the details, if you would like to find out more, Toys for Tots, 406@gmail.com. And they're looking for more musicians to help iRock Montana go all over the country with Montana musicians performing. You want to find out more and be a part of that? iRockMontana.com. Leilani said, keep the Great Falls Daily Connection thought of the day, so I'm doing that. Today, from Mike Murdoch, I leave you with this. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. So mind your daily routine. I have to do that myself. You have a great Wednesday. I'll see you at the Frontier Inn tonight for Open Jam Night. I'm playing with Willie Puffitt as the drummer tomorrow night at the Frontier Inn. So let's enjoy the weekend and the weather, since it's still warm and we don't have to freeze our butts off. The Great Falls Daily Connection is a product of Keller Talent Productions. That's custom live entertainment and DJ entertainment for your wedding reception, your wedding ceremony, or your special event. Now, iRock Montana is also looking for musicians to go on the road with them at iRockMontana.com and from Harmony in the Falls Yoga Studios. Thank you for your support of the Great Falls Daily Connection. It's your local commute. I'm back here tomorrow for the next one for Thursday, December 11th. And until now, and then, if I don't see ya, I'll see ya!